Hello YouTube, this is Survival Vids here with another video coming at you. This video is going to be all about the Kelvin .23 utility tool. It's pretty much the same as a toolbox. It comes with a magnetic screwdriver so you can attach different ones too, like here. And now I have another different screwdriver onto it. It also has a spirit level. It even has a little hammer. It also has a unique LED light, which I find very handy, especially since our power is always going in the middle of winter because the pipes freeze up. It even has a tape measure here, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and this also folds up, so you can fold that up. Survival Vids out.